what are the things that you started doing with this newfound faith that you have?
Actually, this year, we started to have that Bible reading plan.
Yeah.
Yes, so parang 4 chapters a day or more siya.
Oh, wow.
So parang hindi mo ma-imagine no, na parang kaya mo siya. But yun nga, with God talaga, mas na-enjoy mo siya eh.
Marami akong excited ako to know about God. Excited ako to know kung sino si Jesus, ano yung ginawa niya. And if I don't do that, paano ko din siya ma-share? If sa sarili ko, hindi ko kilala kung sino si Jesus. Ano ba yung ginawa niya?
At the end of the day, you will feel still empty if wala si Jesus sa buhay mo. But if you offer your life to God, if you surrender it to Him, kahit walang-wala ka, bro, pastor, you are still full.
Yeah, nice.
You will never be empty.
Galing.
Masaya nga kasi ngayon, we are both studying the Bible together. So, we have read the Old Testament, the New Testament. We share each other ano yung mga natutunan. So, masarap sa feeling kasi sa relationship namin, part si God, part si Jesus.
We did visit other churches.
But I think siguro more than the distance or the convenience in shopping, it's really more of where can we find parang spiritual home.
Yes, actually, yun ang kagandahan din sa small group is that aside from getting to know yung mga nangyayari sa nila and how this particular community changed their life for the better, we were able to eventually fellowship with them. Kasi through that, we were able to grow together in the community.
It's really parang win-win situation if you really just open up yourself to be part of a group and also invest time to get to know them. Ako personally, siguro apart from I have more friends now because of this small group, I also found parang, uy, may ate pala ako in the spiritual community. Nakuha ko yun dito sa community. Plus, our kids. So, yung panganay namin napaka-introvert, no? As in, nag-aaway pa kami with him every time that we bring him to Sunday service. Lalo, dinadala namin siya sa YS. Talagang parang, ano yun, struggle yun. Pero ngayon, grabe yung barkada. So, mamaya, kahit walang YS, meron silang hangout dyan. Sa public. Tapos yung bunso namin na 9 years old, ang mga BFFs niya, nandito rin sa church.
Oh, wow. And I believe it's more of the mas may benefit if we fellowship with fellow believers. Kasi we'll grow together, you'll learn more if you take the time to really intentionally and deliberately spend the time with fellow believers.
Bro, alam mo ba, sobrang nakaka-bless yung church natin, no? Kasi hindi lang tayo nag-follow kay Jesus, hindi lang tayo nag-fellowship with other believers, nag-fish din tayo for people. And one of the highlights na gusto natin din i-recognize is yung ginawa nila Kuya Rafi sa Ate Jingay. Bro, instead na mag-Christmas party sa leadership group nila sila, ang ginawa nila bro, pumunta sila doon sa tahanang Balik-Alay kung saan doon sila nag-minister doon sa mga elder.
Wow, bro. Galing. Kung meron tayo sa elderly, Pastor, no? Meron din naman tayo sa youth. Meron tayong SGI Youth, which is yung mga estudyante or mga youth na mahilig sa basketball. Ang love nila yung basketball, they will love God. And then, for example, meron tayo si Wilfred, Pastor, no? Na na-reach out siya dun sa SGI Youth natin. Then, one-to-one siya ni Dwight. Then, recently na Victory Weekend natin, na-baptize siya.
Nice.
And hindi rin siya nagsastop sa youth. Meron din tayo sa mga adults natin. And meron tayo sila Kuya Maki, sila Arnold, na recently na-reach out din sa SGI through sa basketball. Sa pagmamahal nila sa basketball, na-reach out, may mga nag-one-to-one sa kanila. And eventually, Victory Weekend sila, na-baptize sila, Pastor.
Galing nun. And one of the highlights din also, bro, na sobrang nabibless din talaga ako is si Raymond Seron, bro. Actually, na-stroke siya before. And gabi yung nangyari sa kanya. But imagine, hindi pa rin siya tumigil sa pag-fish for people. Hindi pa rin siya nag-stop sa pagde-disciple. And recently, bro, nung nakaraang Victory Weekend natin, meron siyang na-reach out doon na one-to-one. And then, boss siya mismo, bro, kahit medyo nahihirapan pa siya, actually, ang laki na ng improvement sa kanya. Pero, bro, imagine mo, hindi niya hinayaan yung kondisyon niya, yung na-stroke siya, para mag-stop siya mag-disciple. Bro, siya mismo yung nag-baptize.
And meron naman tayo sa youth service naman. Nakita ko naman yung mga underprivileged youth natin na dinala ni Kuya Joe Mike. So,
Nice.
alam ko galing siya dun sa sitio Tubigan dito sa Antipolo. Na na-reach out ni Kuya Joe Mike, nadala sa youth service. Then nakakita ko, nakakasama ko rin sila nag-worship. Every time sa youth service, sumasayaw sila. Na talagang, sila on fire sila to praise God. And aside that, meron naman tayo kay Tita Nancy, Pastor No. Dito sa may San Roque, Barangay San Roque, merong isang school doon na na-reach out nila.
Okay.
Almost 100 students, Pastor, na-reach out nila. Then, ang alam ko, hindi lang yung students yung target nila ma-reach out, and even yung parents, yung families ng mga estudyante na yun, gusto rin nila ma-reach out para makilala rin.
And also, lastly, gusto din natin na i-share yung highlight natin. Tayo dito, Gab, hindi lang talaga tayo nag-fish for people sa Antipolo, hindi lang sa Taytay, hindi lang sa Rizal, bro, but also beyond our nation. Kaya last time, bro, for the first time, bro, nakapagpadala tayo ng team sa 10 days. Diba? We sent a team first sa Nepal, and then recently, eto sa Laos. Nakabalik na sila ngayon, and we're excited to hear yung mga reports nila, Pastor Gab. Grabe, bro, we really go beyond our city. And nakaka-bless lang. I know we're excited to hear some reports from them. Nag-reach out sila sa mga campuses, and nag-fish talaga nila. Hindi lang sa mga estudyante, sa mga locals talaga doon, bro. Sobrang nakaka-bless lang na yung heart talaga natin, hindi lang talaga mag-fish for people dito kung nasan tayo, but also we think also beyond sa ano natin, sa area natin, no? So, bro, this is church. This is church. We honor God and make disciples. This is relational discipleship. It started as a theme, but now it's our lifestyle, di ba? Ang galing lang ni Lord. And that is why we will continue to follow Jesus, fellowship with believers, and fish for the lost.